Forecast accuracy and data single source of truth is paramount to remove barriers and keep faster decision. FIS is a leading CDMO company. CDMO stands for Contract Development or Manufacturing Organization. We work to develop API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, for the pharma industry. Company goals is to support our customer in developing life-changing therapy for patients around the world. FIS is using Anaplan for finance as well as supply chain processes. Accurate data decisions are important to us because we are working in a very fast environment and we need to support our customer with high quality of our products for their final drugs. Before Anaplan, our budget process was taking about 3 months of time. Now in these 3 months we are able to run different budget scenarios. What really works better in our business thanks to Anaplan is the fact that we are able finally to take decisions on data. We are able to remove the barriers between teams and ultimately to have a better forecast accuracy. I'm Manuel Barreca, CFO at FIS, and we plan with Anaplan.